Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Airtable to plan and track your professional development for 2025. First things first, we'll create a new base on Airtable. Simply click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This gives us a blank canvas to customize to our specific needs. This is important because it allows us to tailor the base to our professional goals. Now that we've done that, let's set up our main table. We'll need columns for goals, actions, progress, deadline, and status. This helps us because we can see all our important information at a glance, making it easier to plan and track our development. Next up, we're going to populate the goals column. Think about the areas you'd like to grow in professionally and list them here. The reason we do this is to have a clear vision of our development path. After defining our goals, let's move on to the actions column. Here we'll list specific steps we plan to take to achieve each goal. This step is crucial because it breaks down our larger goals into manageable, actionable tasks. Now on to the progress and deadline columns. In progress, we'll track how far along we are with each action, and in deadline, we'll set a target date for completion. This helps us stay accountable and ensures we're making consistent progress. Finally, we'll use the status column to mark each action as not started, in progress, or completed. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This column gives us a quick visual representation of where we stand with each action. And there you have it. Now you know how to use Airtable to plan and track your professional development. Remember, the key to successful growth is regular monitoring and updating of your progress. So, keep your Airtable base handy and stay proactive about your professional development. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.